Hello everyone, welcome back to the English Academy. If you want to improve your English speaking naturally, then you are in the perfect place. In today's shadowing practice session, we are going to practice simple daily life sentences together. The rules are very simple. First, listen carefully, then repeat after me slowly. After that, repeat once again with confidence. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice speaking, the more fluent and confident you become. You can use these sentences in school, college, daily conversations, phone calls, or while talking with friends. So guys, relax your mind, take a deep breath, and let's start today's English practice session together. Section 1. We are talking about our morning routine. Let's practice together. I just woke up. Good morning. Good morning. How did you sleep? I am sleepy. I need some water. Let's start the day. I am getting ready. Where is my phone? I am running late. Please wait for me. Now, section 2, related to daily conversation. Let's practice. How are you today? I am doing well. What are you doing? I am studying right now. Can you help me? Thank you so much. It's okay. Take care of yourself. See you later. Have a nice day. Section 3. School and college related sentences. Did you complete the assignment? Today's class was interesting. I forgot my notebook. The exam is very close. I need to study more. This chapter is difficult. Let's study together. I am feeling stressed. Don't give up. You can do it. Section 4. Friendship and emotions related sentences. I missed you. You make me happy. Thank you for listening me. I trust you. Please don't be upset. Everything will be okay. I understand your feelings. I am proud of you. You are important to me. Stay positive. Section 5. Confidence building related sentences. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. My English is getting better. I can speak confidently. I am not afraid of mistakes. Practice makes progress. I deserve success. I am strong and focused. My future is bright. I will never give up. Amazing job, everyone. Thank you for practicing English with me today. Remember, fluency does not come from perfection. It comes from daily practice. Even if your pronunciation is not perfect right now, keep speaking, keep trying, keep improving little by little. If you practice these sentences every day, your confidence will grow naturally. And always remember, your voice matters, your progress matters, and you are capable of speaking English confidently. If you enjoyed this shadowing session, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the English Academy, and join our learning family. I will see you in the next English practice session. Until then,